Welcome back to the channel where we explore fascinating knowledge and DIY projects. Today, we're diving into the world of nature and learning how to create your very own mini herbarium. If you're a nature lover, this is the perfect way to preserve and showcase the beauty of the natural world. Let's get started. First, let's talk about what a herbarium is. A herbarium is essentially a collection of dried, preserved plant specimens. It's like having your own personal library of plants. And the best part is, you can create your mini version at home. To get started, you'll need a few basic tools and materials. You'll need a plant press, which you can either buy or make yourself. You'll also need acid-free paper, a pair of scissors, and a notebook or journal to record your findings. Now, let's go out and collect some plant specimens. Explore your local area, parks, or even your own backyard. Be sure to respect nature and never pick protected or endangered species. Choose plants that catch your eye and interest. Once you've collected your plants, it's time to prepare them. Lay them out on the acid-free paper and arrange them in an aesthetically pleasing way. Take care not to overlap or wrinkle the specimens. When you're satisfied, carefully close the plant press. Now, it's time for patience. Place your plant press in a cool, dry location and let nature do its work. Depending on the thickness of the specimens, it may take a few days to a few weeks for them to dry completely. Once your specimens are dry, it's time to create your mini herbarium. Carefully mount the pressed plants in your notebook or journal, adding labels with the plant's name and any notes you'd like to include. And there you have it, your very own mini herbarium. It's not only a beautiful display of nature but also a valuable learning tool. Take time to study and appreciate your specimens. Share your love for plants with friends and family, and consider expanding your collection. Creating a mini herbarium is not only a fun and educational project, but it also connects us with the wonders of the natural world. I hope you've enjoyed learning how to make your own. If you decide to give it a try, share your herbarium creations with us. And, of course, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with more exciting projects on